And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate a complete workflow. So you've seen me doing this. Let's do something more interesting. And now I'm going to open this test project, add a few schematic pages. Let's do 4. Create a new topic. And now let's start doing more interesting stuff. And let's say place, oh no, not please. I'm used to writing please so often. I'm writing it instead of place the macros. Infeed. Let's do service socket. Also N distribution and PE distribution, right? 4 macros. 1, 2, 3, enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. That's my page. That's my page. The infeed, the service socket, the PE distribution terminals, and the N distribution terminals. Easy as that, right? Let's move on to the next page. And here I want to place my ventilation. I don't have a macro for it, unfortunately, or let's assume that I don't have. But I do know the part number, and I know that I used it before somewhere. So what I can do to just copy it from wherever I placed it is ask Copilot, where did I use the ventilator 3239100? And enter. And it found this part number in two projects, right? And what I want to do is now I want to copy the schematics. And to copy the schematics, I want to open the project. So let's say open the first one, please. Enter. It's here. Have a look at it. Done. Opened. It opened the project for me. This is really cool, right? So what I can do now is to go to the Material Explorer to find it and say 3239100. Click on this. It found it here. Jump to it. There it is. That's our ventilator. And now let's copy this page. Move back to the test project on page 2 and paste it. And done. Right? Easy as that. Well, one thing here. I hope you already know that we are not fans of copying and pasting from older projects, because what happens is you also copy errors with you, right? Or when you're putting the copied part in your project, it might come to some conflicts or some incompatibilities. So you always have to make sure to check for those errors. Now what I can do is ask Copilot, do I have any errors in this project? Please check it. Let's do the smiley. Yes, let's be nice. Oh, I do have a list of errors that I have in this project. So yeah, remember not to copy paste. So some open connections, some quality without context, whatever. I'm not gonna fix them now, but you get the idea. Now you can also check for errors with Copilot, which is extremely nice. Let's do one more thing. Let's say I need some macros. Let's say that place the macros, let's say motor DOL, and what do we have? 3 pole potentials. Enter. Bam, bam, done, right? Simple. And let's do something that you saw before. Give me a wire attribute, but now let's make it a bit difficult for him. Let's not say which is the potential, which is the color, and which is the cross section. Only say L1 black and 2.5. So I hope this works. I'm pushing the limit. Let's see. L1 black, 2.5. Okay, now I'm very curious to see. At least it did something. L1 has potential, black as a color code, and 2.5 as cross section. Perfect, exactly what I wanted to do. So you see me pushing the limits all the time, and it just keeps up. Love to see it. Okay, I'm done with this now. I think I want to generate the bomb again. You'll see where I'm going with this. You already know that it's fast. It does it in an instance, but it generated the bomb as an internal file, as a report in the project. And hey, I actually wanted an Excel file. Let's see what it does now. One, two, three. That's my Excel file. Now think about what you would have had to do to generate this. You would have to go into the bill of materials, have it configured, go to the drop down, do this and that, and whatever. Now just type, and it will do it for you. And actually, I'm still not satisfied, because these are not the properties that I wanted actually. Okay, sorry. I actually want the Excel file to include the following placeholders or properties. Part number, manufacturer, and let's do function text. Enter, and now let's wait for it. Function text, part number, and manufacturer, just as we wanted for it to do. Again, these are complicated things that you have to dig deep in the software to get them out. Now, with just a sentence, you can just ask for what you want, and it's done. It's there, right? One more thing before we go. One more thing. I'm not finished with this project yet. Now, let's do place the macros. You already seen this. CPU, PLC potentials, right? Okay, these are the macros, but watch here. And give me a wire attribute with, let's do what? Again, potential 24 volts DC, cross section 0.75, and yeah, let's leave it at that. And also we want to generate the cover sheet. Now, a lot of things going on here, but I'm throwing everything at it, and let's see what it's doing. Bam! The CPU and the potentials are there. The cover sheet is generated, and the wire attribute is here. I just have to place it on the right page. 3 things with just one prompt. 3 things with just one prompt. This changes how we think about software, and in particular about electrical CAD software. And I'm really excited to go on this journey with you. The WSCAD AI Copilot represents a significant milestone in the evolution of electrical CAD solutions and is available to all electric customers with a valid rental or maintenance contract at no additional cost. Please don't hesitate to contact us if you have questions about the topics presented or need further information. Our team of experts is at your disposal, whether it's about using the AI Copilot or other features of the new ELECTRIX version, or general questions about our software. We greatly appreciate your feedback and look forward to a lively exchange with you.